Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Dad. What's for breakfast today? What's for breakfast today? Do I need to take my lunchbox? Do I need to take my lunchbox? Can I help with breakfast? Can I help with breakfast? I want to wear my favorite shirt. I want to wear my favorite shirt. Where are my socks? Where are my socks? Can I have some milk, please? Can I have some milk, please? I have a school project today. I have a school project today. Is my homework in my bag? Is my homework in my bag? I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. I am ready to go to the school. I am ready to go to the school. Is my school uniform is clean? Is my school uniform is clean? What time is the school bus coming? What time is the school bus coming? Can I have some more juice? Can I have some more juice? I am still sleepy. I am still sleepy. Where is my school bag? Where is my school bag? Do we have time to watch a cartoon? Do we have time to watch a cartoon? I love you, have a good day. I love you, have a good day.